Today I'm going to be reviewing this Cube magazine rack. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. The assemble was really simple. It had a few screws. I started using the screwdriver that was included. However, I did switch over to an electric screwdriver. It was much easier and faster. I was done within 5 minutes of assembly. As you can see, this magazine rack has very nice solid wood panels. As you can see on the sides, it does have metal as well, the metal rack, and it is nice and sturdy overall. The look and feel of this is very solid, very nice, and it does come with some stickers to go ahead and cover up those screws on the bottom. Super nice, solid magazine rack. And the great thing about these is that you could add multiple, so you could make a full storage rack. Here I just have one, but as you could see, it is solid. It is a nice size. I'm gonna go ahead and add some magazine here, some books, and show you what it looks like. So overall, if you've been on the lookout for a new magazine rack, a cube rack like this, that rustic wood feel, then I'd highly recommend you check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.